Locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include
we are EAS Compilation number 13.
Field should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following.
It starts Invisalign. I remember that feeling.
Oh, Duchess, this is compilation number 3. No, not 3. Number 13.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Friday for the following counties.
Oh no! 3 tornadoes. Right, Duchess? This is compilation number 13. That's it. Here we go! Severe thunderstorm warning. It's my TV and my radio station.
Arguing with your boyfriend just a few hours before he ends up getting shot.
Yeah, I don't think he would do that.
Then why would you try to protect his
Because he
name?
was a friend of mine for 5 years.
But you understand that this is pretty dire and that we're working this like a homicide. Okay? So if there's anything else...
Alright, let's go.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mills County.
Oh, here we go. It's a severe thunderstorm warning now. Oh, this is compilation number, lucky number. Number 13. Which is number is 13. This is a lucky number. We're doing the compilation number lucky number 13.
Washington County, Dodge County, northeastern Butler County, southeastern Stanton County, and northeastern Nebraska until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:11 p.m., showers and thunderstorms producing damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour were located across southern Dodge, northern Saunders, and into Washington and Douglas counties, moving at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. In panic, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near.
And people can open carry. It's dangerous for those officers. Yeah, it's not just you.
Around 11:25 p.m.
It's dangerous for everyone. It's completely chaotic. And my other thing is, if you are proud of what you're doing, why do you have to wear a mask to do it? If you're operating within the bounds of the law, you shouldn't have to cover your face. And that's the problem with ICE and with the administration right now, is this whole thing is happening in the shadows. I actually just introduced a bill called the Sue Them Act. It sounds like sue them because we want people to sue them. And what it does is it mandates where if someone is taken by ICE and they're put in a detainment facility or they're put in a jail under what's called an ICE detainer, that they are required to post publicly why that person is there, where they're at, and all the information associated with the case. Because here's the problem.
Oh no. 3 tornadoes. That's not a good sign.
One day their husband goes missing, and they just have no idea where their loved ones are at. And we have people going to hospitals, we have people calling morgues, asking, is my loved one there? That's what this country has devolved to right now because of this president and because of this whole operation that is completely BS and lied to people. And he went around the country telling people that you can't afford your rent because of immigrants, that you can't send your child to school, you can't afford food because of train.
Let's go, Duchess. Here we go, Duchess. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, western Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, south central Burt County, Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, Douglas County, northern Saunders County, northeastern Sarpy County, southwestern Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, Washington County, Dodge County, northeastern Butler County, southeastern Stanton County in northeastern Nebraska until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:11 p.m., showers and thunderstorms producing damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour were located across southern Dodge, northern Saunders, and into Washington and Douglas counties, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Alright, Dodger, let's turn it down. Listen to the TV.
Siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fremont and Cedar Bluffs around 11:15 p.m. Inglewood around 11:25 p.m. Windcliff around 11:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Arlington. People attending Charles Schwab Field should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 42 and 84. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 14. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 443 and 454. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Friday for the following counties.
Yep. Same as just like as on Monday. They cut it off. And this today. Like as on Monday and this today. This evening.
Research on it. Don't just go buy magnesium.
In southwestern Iowa.
Stu, severe thunderstorm warning.
Southwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa. South central Burke County. Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska. Douglas County. Northern Saunders County. Northeastern
There's Brian Griffin.
southwestern Cumming County.
Brian the dog.
Nebraska.
What?
That was the TV and the radio alerts.
Yeah, but the weather radios didn't go off, did they?
But sorry.
Sometimes they do, sometimes they do, I guess.
Severe thunderstorm will be near Fremont and
Oh, come on, that just
11:15 p.m.
never mind.
Around 11:25 p.m.
And we say now? Say now to end the video?
That's it.
And hopefully
That'll be it.
that will be it. And hopefully get some
What?
more.
Okay.
Want to say now?
That's it. Bye.
Oh, another one. Oh, it pops up. It's for Mike County again.
Clark County, Southern Saunders County, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Brainerd, or 13 miles southeast of David City, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated.
Duchess, another one. Duchess, this is for Mike County.
Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Valparaiso around 11:40 p.m. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 405 and 407. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Friday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.
Saunders and Seward.
Music and it really mellows me out. I think it'll work for you.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.